Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to get Google Browser on Nintendo Switch. Step 1. Set up your internet connection. Turn on your Nintendo Switch and go to System Settings from the home screen. Scroll down to Internet and select Internet Settings. Connect to your Wi-Fi network or select an already connected network. Step 2. Modify your DNS settings. Select your connected Wi-Fi network and choose Change Settings. Scroll to DNS settings and change it from automatic to manual. Set the primary DNS to 045.055.142.122. This unlocks the browser redirect. Leave the secondary DNS blank or set it to 0.0.0.0. Step 3. Open the hidden browser. Once the DNS settings are configured, select Connect to this network. The connection test will fail, but this is expected. A browser page will appear, allowing you to input URLs manually. Type www.google.com to access Google and use it as your browser. Step 4. Optional. Save time with bookmarks. If you frequently use Google, bookmark the page by leaving the tab to open for quicker access in the future. Limitations: the browser is basic and not as fast or feature-rich as Google Chrome. It is better suited for quick searches or simple browsing rather than streaming videos or running complex web apps. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!